Don't overthink it. Just relax. Let him see the man underneath.
You know, I've been asking myself what possible wisdom I can impart to the bright young minds of tomorrow. Be anyone you want to be. Figure out what you believe in. Makes you righteous, angry.
I believe in you, Sam.
Get to the core of who you really are.
You just cultivate that clean image.
Nigel, my mother taught me from an early age to fight for justice, protect those who are vulnerable.
This is what we're selling: confidence, hope, optimism.
Your mythology is your best asset.
Be honest about your weaknesses. But capitalize on your strengths. Because really, you can only be you. Be you. Whoever that is. Thank you.
He's very, very good at what he does. Fooling everyone.
The right man for the job, then.
Everyone's got a dark side you don't normally get to see.
There's 2 FBI agents that want to speak to you. Whatever mess you're in, you need to take yourself out of it now.
People are gonna know what you really are.
I'd be careful here. Sounds like you're fishing.
You'll write the story.
This is about you protecting your ticket to the top. Sam, about your zipper problem. People want to believe that you're somehow better than they are.
This is a black and white issue.
They need that fairy tale.
I set out to help people. I never said I was better than them.
Everybody's just waiting for you to win this.
Sam.
Do whatever you need to do to make it happen.
This is the perfect time to get used to surprises.
What did you do?
Remember all the goals we set for ourselves. Let's not throw that away.
People still need heroes.
Let's give him one.